This 2021 Dutchmen Coleman 2835BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 32 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleeps 10, Slideout, Awning, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, smoke detector, air conditioning, refrigerator, microwave, stovetop burner, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Dutchmen Coleman 2835BH is 6,530 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.